inside of the song, I'm hoping that you get the message. Walking design of the Balenciaga, I gotta go throwing a Fendi. A nigga been doing the Bentley, this shit got me going crazy in the trenches. This shit got me going crazy off of edges. I ain't been home in a minute, and niggas thought I've been missing. For the people I ain't never understand, niggas I ain't never listen. Saying Balenciaga about to blow up in the end, understand how a nigga been getting. All of these bands can't fit in my pocket, I wanna replace a band with a blicky. Hope it don't end, it is what it is, knowing that I could do better. I'm up in the clouds, I'm high as a bitch. Balenciaga be probably predicting the weather. Here in the city, be cold in the bitch. I had to go throwing a hoodie and sweater. Balenciaga be up, I'm fly as a bitch. But niggas been hoping I couldn't do better. Back in my mode, I'm back in my zone. Logging in soon as I give me an XO. Up in the stoop, fucking run and just pass up. Run around, have Mickey D's with a Mac out. Niggas be faking that shit for the ground. Fucking around, kill on that nigga like Smackdown. Slid on his block, we were trying to find out where he at. The way that we pull up and hop out. Pouring my heart in the song, hoping that you get the message. Thinking about all that shit that we did. After all of that shit, I still kept it catch. Think I've been trying way too damn hard. He be trying to get his shit together. Fuck what we ball, diamonds gon' shine. Regardless, I don't give a fuck about the weather. My nigga had told me we up like a bird. On top of the wardrobe, a nigga like feathers. Told me that I'm going up, you can tell it. Back of the rush, rolling up, you can smell it. When my young nigga had died, I felt it. Tryna go make me a million, I had to go get it. Don't care if I can't go spend it. 4 on the 4 on the 2, yeah, everything. Gotta get rich, I can't be no regular. Speaking, I gotta be honest.